Hello. So in the previous video, we looked at how we could solve this problem by hand. So the situation is a fair die numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4 is thrown 7 times. Find the probability that an even number is obtained exactly 3 times. And you can do that by hand by using the formula that is in the book. This will not be in the formula booklet in the exam. So you can do this by hand, and it's a good way of getting a better understanding of what you're doing, perhaps. But more relevant to you is how you do this on the calculator. So we'll look at that today, and we're going to use the emulator um, for this problem. So if we just have, that's going to be the two menu. Hang on. Just get this down a bit. We want to look at distributions. We don't have to put anything into the lists here. So, and even if the lists are full, you can just ignore that and go to distribution. So that's F5. Binomial distribution, that's F5 again. And you choose the first one, which is binomial probability distribution, like this. The data that we're using is not going to be in a list. It's going to be a random variable. So, yeah, okay. So binomial distribution, binomial probability distribution, and variable. And the x, that's the number of times that we're interested in finding the probability for. So that's not 7, this is 3. So we want to find the probability that x equals 3. The number of trials is 7 because we're throwing the die 7 times. And the probability here to get an even number is going to be 0.5. And the reason for that is that there are 2 of these numbers that are even, 2 and 4. So every time you throw, there is a 50% chance to throw an even number. And at the end, we just press execute and we get that the probability is 0.2734375. So that's the same number that we found by hand.